Okay, you guys, so if you are new to canning, this is the one thing that I wish somebody would have told me when I first got started. And that is the last thing you want is chaos in your kitchen. What does that mean? That means that you want to make sure that you don't have jars clanking around, you can't find your knife, you don't know where your salt is. You want everything to have its place. It's called mise en place in the professional world. And this is what that looks like. You're gonna have your recipes ready, you're gonna have your salt, your jars, everything is nice and sterilized and clean so that all you have to do is pull your jars out of the water. You can begin prepping all of your vegetables, fitting them with a nice finger-tight lid, and dropping them into your canner. This is gonna keep things so cool, calm, and mellow in your kitchen. You will be sure to fall in love with canning.